What's so cool about manufacturing?
That math test was hard.
Yeah, I think I did good.
Where's the last pierogi?
Sorry.
Come on, Olivia.
They were pretty good, I can't blame her.
Now, where did you get them?
Mrs. T's.
Let's
Let's
go.
have some.
Welcome to Mrs. T's Pierogies.
Lights, camera, action.
Tom Twardzik, and I am second generation of Mrs. T's. The Twardzik name is the T in Mrs. T's. And my father is the founder of the business. Mary Twardzik is the Mrs. T behind the recipe. We started off with the ladies around the table. Businesses evolved from handwork to machine processes.
That's going absolutely in the right direction. So
We learn the process start to finish.
We deal with the USDA, FDA, PA Department of Agriculture. We do HACCP compliance. We actually pull the HACCP team together, make sure it meets sanitation guidelines, food safety guidelines.
My name's Jeremy Stabler. I am the Associate Project Engineer. I love to take things apart, except when I do it with electricity. The coolest part about what I do, when there's a problem, I'm looked upon to solve it. I'll walk and talk. From the programming, the electronics, the integration, the design, I take all the technical competencies, coordinate it, and I try to integrate that into the process that way. That way we can keep the process efficient, running properly, exactly the way it's supposed to be.
Bird cold.
I have the best job in the plant. Don't listen to any of these other people you talk to, I do. We have from programmers, that program the machines, to we have metal fabrication to build stuff, to just regular mechanics. Everybody thinks a mechanic is just turning a wrench on a daily basis. They're not anymore. That has changed.
They couldn't show us everything.
And I get to play with food all day, every day. So we talk to our consumers, we see what kind of product they want.
We thought they were delicious.